Sa unang tingin, aakalain mong ang laman ng mga kahong ito ay tsaa. Yun pala, kilo-kilong shabu ang nasa loob. Nasamsam ng pinagsanib puwersa ng National Bureau of Investigation, Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, Bureau of Customs at National Intelligence Coordinating Agency ang 530 kilos ng shabu sa isang warehouse sa San Jose Malino, Mexico, Pampanga. Nagkakahalaga raw ang mga kontrabando ng 3.6 billion pesos, isa sa pinakamalaking huli sa ilalim ng Administrasyong Marcos.
We have a list of people to be arrested. Andyan na yun. It's being worked out by the NBI. The NBI is on the job now, pursuing these people. Kasi ano to this is a very intricate operation that was planned months ago, and this is the culmination.
May kasama raw na bag ng chicharon at feeds ang bawat kahon para matago ang amoy ng droga.
Very, very sophisticated ang methodology nila. I do not want to reveal everything yet, but even when it comes to the K9 was not as effective as they should have been. Perhaps we have to retrain some of our K9 to be able to be more sophisticated in trying to smell the drugs.
September 18 daw dumating sa Subic Port ang shipment mula Thailand.
Subic ang mainit ngayon. Actually, Subic rin ang aming na-pinpoint na source ng agricultural smuggling. Subic din ang na-pinpoint namin ang source ng maraming smuggling sa bansa. That's why we have to watch over Subic.
Kaya mahalaga, paliwanag ni Remulla, na magtulungan ng DOJ at law enforcers para maging matibay ang case build-up. Dapat nga raw isang draft decision na ang anumang kasong isasampa sa korte, patunay na mapapanagot ang mga may sala. Anjo Alimario, CNN Philippines.